Hi, I am Yağmur. I'm in the preparatory school and my faculty is medicine. Today, I want to talk about my project. My project is a website where we have health information that should be created by state. It's important for the information and the users. And in general, this site have a rate um, and there are options. And it's not just the options, but I give details in my slide. Okay, sorry. Yes, I want to talk about and explain about in three parts, and it's mean the three questions for me. First, what will be the benefits of the system for us? And second, who is the system for? And third, how to use the system? Uh, these are our steps, and we'll go the step by step. Okay. We can start with our first questions. What will be the benefits of the system for us? Um, It's mean will give us information about the other treatments. For example, our doctors state just medication, but we have an option like surgical implementation. So it's also option. We can see that in this site. And not just the option, we can see the rates in the countrywide. It's the important too. And another benefit is that the rates will be throughout the country. That is, the numerical rates are very high because the country about like million users. And finally, we can know the other people with this disease. And maybe, I don't know, we can connect with them and talk with them. And in general, we can not feel alone because we said, okay, I'm with this disease, but another guy like me. So actually, if you know that, it feel good. Okay. Second question is, who is the system for? For those people who wants to learn treatment options and treatments. For researchers who want the rate for all country to reach country-wide rates. It's more true thing. And for doctors who want to broaden their perspective, because sometimes the older doctor say just this, just pills, just surgical things. But we have lots of options, and we have lots of options today because the technology is developed. And the other thing is for hospital management because if they see the another things, they can increase their treatment options. And for pharmaceutical companies because we can give take information about drugs, and when they see that they can develop the um, drugs, and maybe they can want the drugs rates. Uh, our third question is how to use system. It's really easy thing, really. Doctors will give the information the patient illness as a code. That code is like a 1, 2, 3, 4. You understand? And thus the patient will be able to see the rates and of other patients. And with the same code as they when they receive. So with one code you can see the uh, all thing. I said all thing, and I explain the whole thing on the other slide. Yeah. What information will the user access? To the rate we said from the beginning, it's really important because and accurate information about the disease and its treatment. Uh, because in the Google we have a lot of sites, but some information is also wrong. So we have a true information in the sites and information about drugs and drugs use. And it's important too. Why? For example, I don't know you, but I am not. The information paper in the drugs box, I never read. So I have not any information about what I am used. For example, Rockton, I use it, but I don't know very true information. Another thing is how many people belongs to that code. For example, if it's 10, it's really low. But if it's the 1 million, it's really good. It's the very optional. And the other things that is really important, there will be a hotline that can help us emotionally or for questions for the drugs, for the treatment, for the hospitals, because in Turkey now we have a lot of hospitals. In one city, it's like a 30. So it's really big numbers, I think. And sometimes it's if we have a bad disease like cancer, we can need the help and with the important people. So this is important for me. So okay. Thank you for listening to me. If you have a questions or if you say something with my project, something good, you can find me in the class. Okay.